Let's go, boys.
Yo!
Let's go.
Yo!
Let's go. We got him. We got him, bro. We got him. Let's take this easy. Let's take this easy. It's easy. No.
No!
No. Let's go. Let's go. He broke the fish. No.
What?
No.
No, that has to count. No,
No.
that has to count. Oh! I'm gonna pick it up.
What's up, guys? Heading to Lorenzi Park Pond. The goal is to catch 5 fish in 1 hour. Let's see if we can do it, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, got the poles out. Baits on there, of course. Waiting just for a bite. See what happens. This is where I got caught a little monster carp. Hopefully it's still here in this area. If not, we move around. But let's wait and see, guys. Fingers crossed. 5 fish challenge, Lorenzi Park Pond. Bro, get the water too. Get him out the water. See him in the water. No, look at the water.
Yo! Oh!
Let's go, boys.
Yo!
Let's go.
Yo!
Let's go. Let's go. He's a fighter.
Hurry, get him!
Hold on.
Oh!
Hold on.
Yo!
We got him. We got him, bro. We got him. Let's take this easy. Let's take this easy. Let's take this easy. Let's take this easy. No!
No!
No! No!
Yeah!
Let's go! Let's go! He broke the fishing pole! No!
Oh my
God.
God.
Oh my
No,
God!
that has to count. No,
Bro.
that has to count.
Yeah, he broke my pole. He was a big fish.
Yo, look at this thing.
Oh my God!
Oh, jeez.
Oh, yes.
Whoa, what the heck?
Hey, bro.
It was literally on the shore. Oh! It was coming out. Wait, that's the fish we just got, I think. I'm gonna pick it up.
Put your foot on this like this, and then just wheel it in slowly at an angle. Oh, that's a carp.
Yeah, that's what we fishing for.
Yo, I caught a carp.
Oh no, yeah, it's a carp.
Yo!
hooked them on the side.
I caught my first fish ever.
Let's go, boys!
Wait, let me try to pick it up.
Let's go!
Look at
Let's
that.
go, my son's fish. First
I want to
fish.
try and pick it.
All right, take that hook outside. Pull it straight up. There you go. Nice, drop that. Nice. Let's go. W, his first fish. First catch. Come on, let's go release him. Let's go, boys. Got a carp. Releasing it. Oh no, put it in the water. Come on, come on, bro. You can't just do it like that. I gotta show you how to release. I gotta show you how to release them. That was a good catch though. Let's go.